Hello, folks out there at home. Thanks for tuning in to Growing with the Gold to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening. And today, we're gonna focus on zucchinis. We're gonna get our zucchinis in. We have a Palermo zucchini. This is out of the Baker Creek catalog. Another winner from Baker Creek. Can't say that enough. Love you guys. So I'm gonna do 3 of these per 65-gallon pot. We've made little hills within the pot. We got these up so these zucchinis can kind of cascade or waterfall down, if you will, and we'll have some nice, easily accessible zucchinis to harvest. Keeps them up off the ground, prevents rot, things like that. So check it out. We'll get these in the ground and get on our way. So for my plant selection, I'm trying to choose some of the bigger ones for kind of the back where they have a little extra room. The smaller ones will kind of be up front and where they'll be kind of crowded together. So hopefully they won't crowd themselves out too much, but in the end, we're looking for a solid sea of green, speckled, lovely zucchinis. So one thing everybody always hears about zucchini is you plant one and you have more than your neighborhood can eat. That can be true. We're planting a bunch. We got a big community here. But a really cool trick that we've been doing for years at my house is when we get our zucchinis in full swing, we try and take them, grate a bunch of them down, let them drain a little bit, and then freeze them in 2-cup batches in bags ready to use for baked goods like zucchini bread or zucchini muffins. So anytime we're baking, we can just jump to the freezer, pull out one pre-portioned bag. That 2-cup number is great for so many recipes. So it's really easy to capture and save that summer bounty for use all year long. So this is a really exciting project to me because we're getting to play with one of our new experimental mixes. This is something that's almost to the end of our research and development project. Pretty much determined what its recipe is. We're off to registration. This is our brand new special reserve. It's so amazing. It's a really unique combination of the backbone of a lot of our other recipes. It's kind of a peat, cocoa, forest humus blend. It's got our coconut husk chips that we love so much that hold that extra water in there. And it's got a stronger fertilizer charge that's going to last a little longer. A lot of our mixes, we like to use a lighter fertilizer charge, so you need to start feeding after about 10 days to 2 weeks. Our planting mix, we pushed maybe 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your crop. This is going to be in that longer window of that 2-4 weekish range, depending on your plant size and your pot size. Special Reserve is going to be out late this year, early next year. We're really excited to share it with the world. It's something we've been working on diligently for a couple years. This is going to be really similar to some of the more popular mixes on the market that you might be used to. Wink, wink, you know what I mean. You're going to love this product. Thank you so much for tuning in, checking in with Royal Gold on another Growing with the Gold and seeing what makes Royal Gold the gold standard in gardening.